Construction of our backyard cabana continues. Check out what we accomplish on days 5, 6, and 7. What would be the focal point of your cabana if you had an opportunity to design and build it? Hi, this is Four-Lit Sky. Welcome to Four-Lit Sky Arts and Architecture, where I share my skills and knowledge in gardening, painting, and other DIY projects. If you haven't already, please subscribe to help me grow my channel. Click the like button, share this video with others, and leave a comment so we can connect. The focal point of the cabana is what we are focusing on today's video. I will share how I designed and covered this wall with scrap woods from previous projects. There is a lot of scrap wood stored in my garage from the previous project, and it is a good idea to incorporate that in my cabana project since this DIY project is on budget. It is also an excellent design to accomplish the imperfection of the wall with different sizes, scales, and colors of the wood. And I'm sure it will be perfect for my succulent plant as a background. First, we installed this entire bed framing from my son's old bed on the center of this wall to frame my succulent tapestry. We put this round decorative metal frame in the center of this frame to create a succulent tapestry around it. Second, we installed more vertical and horizontal studs to balance the wall structure as a base to create a decorative wall around it using scrap wood. Third, I covered the wall one section at a time to accomplish the looks I had in mind. Perfect. Done. And that's it for today, guys. Please watch our next and future episodes until we reveal the finished project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following videos.